Hello, hello. So how do you get enough protein and fiber on a plant-based diet? Fiber is easy. You want to aim for about 25 grams a day. Fiber is found exclusively in plants, so you're going to get them in plants. I'm going to make my big salad that I make every few days, lettuce, fresh herbs, green onion. I've got some tomatoes and cilantro and jalapenos and red onion and radishes. I'm so excited about my salad. But to add more protein and fiber in there, I'm gonna add some garbanzo beans, which is about 6 grams of protein per half a cup. And I'm also gonna add some lentils, which is like 9 grams of protein per half a cup. So I will have that in there as well. And then I'm gonna make a dressing out of nuts and seeds. So that's gonna offer some more protein. I'm soaking my nuts right now. This will add more protein and more fiber, and it'll make a really delicious dressing. So that's a good way to get that. Now, how do you know how much protein you need? Well, take your weight in pounds, divide it by 2.2 to get the kilograms. So I'm about 120 pounds, it's about 54.5 kilograms. And then I aim to get about 1 to 1.5 grams per kilogram a day, and that's based on my activity and all of that. It's not so easy with limited landscape on the plate, so I have to be really mindful about getting this in, and that's why I'm incorporating these foods. So, have any questions? Let me know.